Okay, I'm almost ready. I am ready. So platinum melts at about 1780, and this platinum solder, which is hard, melts at 1700. So there's only 80 degrees difference between the actual job, the platinum melting, and my solder. And I need to get it hot enough that the solder turns to liquid and flows through the joint. Okay, 1700 degrees will burn the retinas in your eyes, so we need goggles. So turn away now. Okay, these tweezers are got tungsten carbide tips, because if you use anything else, the metal contaminates. It starts to burn and contaminates your platinum. So it's just starting to go and gone. Okay, so that's one side. So what I'll do is I'll just quench it between, and that just stops the alloys from separating. Because this is copper-based platinum, so the copper and the platinum, if you let it cool too slowly, the copper wants to go back to copper and the platinum wants to go back to platinum. It's not so much of a problem with copper-based platinum, but if you go into your iridiums and rutheniums, if you don't quench them, then they can crack.